it is having equal number of A, equal number of B, then it will have any number of C. A name is greater than equal to 1. Okay. So how to give a DFA? So first it will have any number of A. Okay, first it will have any number of A. So I will keep a loop here. A, Z, replace Z with ZA. Then again if I am getting A, top of the stack is having A, then A, because after first A whatever A will get, then top of the stack will have A. So you have inserted all A by these two transitions, then you will get B. If it is a correct input, if you are getting B, then top of the stack will definitely have A, pop it. Then again if you are getting B, the top of the stack will have A, pop it. So whatever B you will get, you will have that many number of A, fine, done. Now you will get C. When you will get C, the top of the stack will have Z. When you will get C, the top of the stack will have Z, replace with Z and reach to the final state. And again if you are getting any number of C, Z, replace with Z, B in the final state, because it can have any number of C. So it's like A to the power n, B to the power n, C plus at least one C, then any number of C. And since we don't require to do matching with C, we can be there only. No need to store C also, because we no need to compare with anything. Is it clear?